The brands in this are for me to test out, and in the box I got the keyboard itself, a detachable cable, and a little keycap and switch puller for swapping things out later. Setup was plug and play for me. I just connected the detachable cable and it was recognized instantly. No drivers needed to just start typing and gaming right away. Alright, let's get into why this one's been living on my desk. The first thing I notice is how fast it feels. It's running an 8K hertz polling rate with this insanely low latency, so every keystroke registers the instant I press it. No delay, no lag, which makes a huge difference in fast-paced games. The switches are magnetic instead of traditional mechanical, so I can actually adjust how sensitive each key is. I set some keys to trigger with a lighter touch for quicker reactions, and it genuinely feels more precise than any keyboard I've used before. The build quality stood out too. Underneath it's got this carbon fiber shell construction and layer padding inside, so every keystroke feels satisfying and sounds clean instead of hollow or clacky. It's also fully hot swappable, so if I ever want to change out switches down the line for a different feel, I don't need to solder anything. I can just pull and swap them myself. I've been using the web driver too. I just hold two keys down and it pulls up right in my browser, and from there I can remap keys, build macros, and mess with the RGB lighting until it matches my whole setup. Speaking of which, the lighting is dual zone RGB and it actually syncs with music, so during breaks it's been fun just watching it react while a stab plays in the background. And since it's 60% layout, it's freed up so much desk space for my mouse, which honestly changed how comfortable my setup feels day to day. If you're someone who wants a keyboard that reacts as fast as you do and looks good doing it, this has been such a fun upgrade for my setup.